Okay guys, I'm just about to cut some aluminium on my drop saw. I need to change the blade over first from a timber blade to an aluminium blade. It's just a quick little video. I thought I'd show you how you can switch blades over, and a little trick that happens on the inside. So come with me and I'll show you how it's done. Now there's a handy little hiding hole for the wrench that undoes the bolts. So you need to find that first. Then you need to undo the safety guard. That's lefty-loosey. And that'll expose this bolt here. Now if we try and undo this, it's just going to spin the motor. So there's a button we need to press to lock the motor. So here's that button I was talking about. Just spin the blade until that locks in. And now we're ready to undo it. Now the trick to this, as I said before, is it's actually a reverse thread. So this was lefty-loosey, but this is actually righty-loosey. Now the whole point of that being an opposite thread is so that it doesn't come undone with the motion of the motor spinning the blade. Now we pull this off, and you can see there's an adapter ring in here that just matches the blade to the motor of the saw, so you don't want to lose that. Grab your other blade, get the right adapter ring for it, and just make sure that the arrows to tell you the direction this spins match the arrows on the saw. Where the f did that go? Now these adapter rings can be a bit tricky sometimes. Really want to make sure it's in there. There we go. Now we just put it all back together. Remember, this is opposite thread. Alright, we're good to go.